and welcome to Alpha One. So I have now just been trading live once again on this broker for binary option. Today we did not do that many trades, and sadly we did not do that good either. I will get to that after. But before we do that, I do trade live every Monday to Friday here at YouTube. Make sure so you never lose a live stream. Make sure you subscribe. Turn on the bell notification, because then you will never lose a live stream from me, okay? Also, make sure you sign up with this broker. You find a link below the video. You should just start the demo account first, just to see that you managed to get into my live streams, you managed to follow my trades. I will also now after show you how I'm trading, so it's easy for you to come in and follow me, okay? Also, if you then choose to go in with real money, make sure that you use the promo code that you find below the video, okay? Because you get 200% on your first deposit. So make your first deposit count if you want to do so, okay? Now let's go to the trade setup today. Then after I will show you how I'm trading live, okay? And how you can follow. So let's get to it. So let's consider, for example, this pair here. What I would do here and there. I would put up a line up here. It's a resistant area. We see that this area here looks nice. We see when you come up to this area here, we typically go down. So this one I would turn into a red color. So that means if you come up with this bar again, I would go, if a new bar come here, this one for example, there I would have entered, and I would have a closing time on 1 minute. The win rate we have with these type of things, you can see on the different pairs, we follow many, okay? Here you can see some of the lines. When I have a blue line, that means I'm just following, okay? So this is old lines I had from before, does not mean that is correct now. You can see here, for example, this was an area we worked with easily in trading. So if you have been here, this one would be red, and every time the bar come up to this area, we will take a trade. You can see we would have won every single trade here. First losing trade will be here, but I will never take that twist trade, because if you are away for a certain amount of time, this one would have been turned blue, like you did see it was. So here I would not have taken this trade. So we basically would have just been taking winning trades here, okay? Now let's get to the trades I did take today. Like I said, was not the best. We lost the two last. So you can see we did take 26, so all the 26 trades. We did win 3 in a row, but we lost 2. That means we did make a profit of $103 just. But also, every time I take a $100 trade, I will receive $4 in cashback. That means we have made $20 in cashback. So when I push this button up here now, this will be added to our balance here for our account. Also, if you're trading together with me, good idea. You say I have 2 real accounts, right? So one real account, you can put some money that you can use when you trade together with me. Then a good idea for you, put some money in another account where you trade by yourself. Then you can compare the two. If you do better when you trade together with me, or when you start to trade by yourself, maybe you do better. So you can follow and you can see that part. And of course, you see I have not a demo account, but if you push here, you'll get demo account. By using my link, I have made so everyone automatically get a demo account, okay? So that is something that you should trade a demo first, of course, before you start to put real money. Now let's push this button, so this money will be added here. Let's push, there. So you see 35 and it go up to 55, okay? So that means our profit was $20 more extra. So $123 we made in the live stream today. That is very low. Typically, we make 7 and 8 wins out of 10 trades, and typically we do up to 20 trades in a live session. But I will never promise you how many trades you do. Like I will also show you a buy trade. So you just get to that also. But like I said, I will not promise you how many trades because I need setups. Like here, for example, after 3, we will just have got 1 trade here, okay? So 1, 2, 3, and we will activate it here. And because this one also closed higher than these 2, so that is a perfect option. And I will have taken there, so you've got 1 win here, but never a losing trade, okay? So this is how we trade. It's very easy to follow. I will trade same time tomorrow. I actually have already made the live stream link already for tomorrow. I will post it in the below the video now, so you will find the live stream link for the where we're going to trade tomorrow. Okay, so make sure you join me tomorrow. Make sure you find link below the video for this broker. Let's trade together tomorrow. More people I get in my live stream, more fun it is for me, and everyone that write in the chat while I'm trading, I do reply to. So when you write there, and when you write to me in one chat, I will remember you for always for future sessions. Because still I'm just a small YouTuber, so I remember everyone. Later, of course, when you start to get 100, 200 people in my live streams, yes, it will be more difficult to remember, but I will do my best to remember at least the ones that are most active, okay? So with that, I hope I see you tomorrow, and let's make some money together. Okay, have an amazing day.